Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, the YOUJI Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds promise a lot, and we're here to find out if they deliver. So, let's dive right in. The YOUJI Wireless Earbuds come in a sleek box with the product image and features listed. Inside the box, you'll find the earbuds, a wireless charging case, a USB Type-C cable, and an instruction manual. These earbuds have a minimalist and stylish design, and they come in a crisp white color. The build quality feels solid, and they are lightweight, making them comfortable for extended use. The charging case is a game changer, and it supports wireless charging, which is a fantastic convenience. It has a built-in LED power indicator that shows you the battery status of the case. These earbuds feature the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, ensuring a stable and fast connection to your devices. Pairing is a breeze, and it offers a hassle-free audio experience. The ergonomic design of the YOUJI earbuds ensures a secure fit, making them perfect for active lifestyles. You can wear them during workouts, commutes, or even extended listening sessions without discomfort. The sound quality is impressive, with crystal clear audio and deep bass. Whether you're into music or podcasts, these earbuds deliver an immersive listening experience. One of the standout features is the battery life. The charging case packs a 500 mAh battery, providing up to 48 hours of standby time. The earbuds themselves can last for hours on a single charge, ensuring you stay connected and entertained throughout the day. These earbuds are compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and more. You have the freedom to connect effortlessly to your favorite devices. The YOUJI wireless earbuds come with a product warranty, providing peace of mind to the users. So, in conclusion, the YOUJI wireless earbuds offer an impressive package. They provide excellent sound quality, long battery life, and the convenience of wireless charging. With their sleek design and comfortable fit, they are perfect for various activities. That's it for today's review of the YOUJI wireless earbuds. If you're interested in grabbing a pair, I've left a link in the description below for your convenience. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tuned for more exciting product reviews on Product Critique.